sir, morning yung rendering. Tapos, sir, perspective. Parang
Actually, maganda yan kung tapos natin.
Maganda na siya.
Para lumitaw na yung lighting. Actually, ito nga, feeling ko dapat hindi na ganyan ka-detail.
Hindi na ganun ka-detail.
Kasi,
no,
siguro,
point yun.
hindi, because of, hindi ko pa nagawa.
Okay.
So, hindi siya balance.
Oo.
Once na magawa na natin to, buo na yun.
Oo.
Super gagawin din natin yung contents.
If we want
You have options. Hanggang dito lang, hanggang ipapaint ko lang yung wall. And then concentrate on this.
So you'd rather we didn't put a painting?
Yes, okay na.
Sir, pag pumangit
If you put a painting, you have to do this side na rin.
Sir, paano yung floor finish? Ganyan na siya.
Ganyan na.
Ganyan lang siya. White lang.
Plain lang.
Gusto mo marble?
Gusto mo gawin mo, marble pwede rin. So magkakaroon ka ng mga, mga reflections.
Sir, wag na.
Veins. Alam mo, hindi nyo pa na-perfect yung veins, ha? Ng marble.
Oo, hirap yung floor na yun.
Kailangan nyo i-perfect yun.
Sir, curtains.
Curtains. So, as usual, dapat palagi, yun lang yung paint natin. Yung pinaka-shadows lang yan.
The schedule's out.
Yeah.
It is? Where is it?
Excited. Monday.
Kasi nga in the office.
That's why I knew the schedule.
Bilang ko na.
So you're the one teaching color rendering?
No. Si Nikki.
What's the schedule for color rendering?
Morning. Friday morning.
Mas malaki, mas
Friday
mahirap.
morning. Perspective to
Morning or afternoon?
yeah, perspective. I'm making the curtains
Something
brown.
next year.
What's the schedule?
Morning or curtains will be brown.
What Friday?
Yung fold. This is the fold.
Mag-fold yung whole day, whole rin.
Hindi. Ay, parang meron color din sa baba.
Pipili ka.
Dito sa akin, sa araw.
Parang kami ngayon.
Kasi super daming place na.
Pero it's nakakapagod because I'm not doing this. So color rendering and perspective falls on Friday.
You know why? When your plates are due
So
on the
once
same
a
day.
Gusto ko mag-start na
That's all I'm
But I will see.
You're not gonna take her.
Ayang, I'm not para taking color rendering.
Yeah.
What's the schedule for Urbo?
Monday.
Monday.
1 to 3. And then perspective to is Friday.
9 to 2. So it's gonna be Monday, Friday. Sandwich.
Yes. On the weekend.
Ayaw talaga tayo to give a long weekend.
It's the opposite of long weekend.
Should I have to schedule it for Friday?
So many colors. Who should have done this one?
What perspective? Wait, sir, and if you're late, see the things. You're gonna miss one? When you're late and late, you might. You can pay this to remove the minus. But usually, are you done?
No, next. It's end of the month. I think with this...
Unless you submit, have some start.
Like, diba,
I know we have to approve during. So, may sampling ba?
I think super short. Meron.
Kailan siya muna sa
Short na,
After a
super.
week yata.
I told you.
So, mga October.
Yeah.
Short na, super.
Let's say for the June.
Saan yun? Yung
print na.
LC for sure.
October na.
Because usually, whenever you come to a meeting, you have to submit
September 27 start. Oo, sabi.
So, when you're late,
Sabi ni promise.
for each plate,
80% sure.
kasi yung box, may dress up at may minus 2. One color.
Even if you make paalam.
Sir, how is the design?
Okay naman. I have partners for interiors and more on art.
I don't know lang about the
Yeah.
box one. It's great design. No, I've never experienced. I used one of his classes because during Thursday I got busy. I was driving.
So,
Pwede magka-cash yun dun sa ano, tatagos dun sa glass.
ano?
Yung curtain.
Oo. Pwede ka maglagay ng pattern, ah.
In fact, I don't know if you have done it. Hardly anybody repeats.
But I'm only taking two subjects.
Repeat what?
Even me when I wanted to repeat something. Huwag ka naman.
Who's this? Who's this?
Sir Ed.
Why?
For the repeating of the plates. Encourage it.
To repeat the plates.
That's a pattern.
So you did Santa Claus?
This is live.
We
Hindi na,
did the box, the desk assessment.
hindi namin ginawa yun.
What's ba?
Kasi
It's
yung
parang
team,
living room niya and you really have to go overboarded all the time.
plate number ano yun?
Then,
This is
11,
like
parang border. Kasi sa taas, doon nakalagay
Yeah,
optional
Flora,
ang yes
ano.
out. For us, walang options.
Pattern?
Sa dali sa amin.
Pattern,
Sa
you
amin,
just put
modern yung plate number 11 na.
One code
So,
lang.
Yung kay, sa aman po yun.
Mr. Mrs. Mo.
Then, papatungan na lang later on.
Kaya I saw your work with, yung hiniram yun natin.
So, but,
Then, you can put another
hindi naman siya. Hindi na naman.
Thanks, Tom.
Hindi na naman ganun siya.